Hello everyone. Today I am going to be teaching you how to properly wrap your hair, okay? If you've ever unwrapped your hair and you have that one side that's sticking up like this and that won't lay down and you're like, oh my God, I have to put heat on it now in order for it to be right. I want you to know that you don't have to. So the first thing that you would do is get a brush, a comb, whatever works best for you. Then find the flattest part on your head. Wherever the brush lays flat at, that's where you're gonna start. And then you're just gonna comb all the hair away from that in its natural fall, okay? And then from here, you're basically gonna start at the top of where you started, combing all the hair away from, and you're gonna gradually pick up pieces of hair as you go. So you wanna make sure you don't pick up too much hair, just pick up a little bit of hair at a time, and then just gradually just keep going. So from here, I will just put a scarf on, and then after I put the scarf on, I would just turn it to tighten it. Now that I have curls and I need to keep my body and I don't want it to be really flat, I'm gonna do this instead of with a brush, I'm gonna do this all with my fingers. You can start picking up little pieces of hair at a time and going around your head, but only with your fingers. Now from here, when you take your scarf off and you're ready to take your wrap down, you're gonna do almost the same thing. You're gonna start at the top and start combing down little pieces at a time. And boom, that's the proper way to wrap your hair.